a video some of you might find interesting on how you bore bushings. Got some bushing stock, and I need to fit the inside to an 1.25 inch shaft. I've already gotten some done. I'm going to show you how we do this. We start out with a, move this out of the way. We're starting out with bushing stock that is an inch 180 inside diameter. We want to be 1.25 inches. So, start up our lathe. I've already done 4 of them, so I know about where I want to be for a rough cut. And we'll engage our power feed. Feed the boring bar into the material. Reverse my feed and feed it back out. That was a pretty heavy cut, so there's a lot of chatter. By reversing your feed and running back the other direction, that'll smooth out a lot of that chatter. That was just a rough cut, so we're not worried about finish. Stop our lathe, take another measurement. Okay, we're now at 1 inch and 242. We're just going to take a light cut now. We'll just take 5/1000ths. Again, I'm going to reverse, feed it back out. Should have one more just real light pass to take. There we are at inch 250, which is 1.25 inches. So rather than take another cut, we're just going to go back in without any moving of our cross feed. And just let it roll across and smooth it out, and that'll give us our extra thousandths of an inch. We finished our last cut. And there we are with our extra thousandths of an inch, which would be perfect for 1.25 inch shaft. It'll give you 0.5 thousandths of clearance, so it won't be tight, and there's room for lubrication on each side.